Amid the ongoing investigation over the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examination, the Economic Offences Unit of the Bihar Police is likely to question Pritam Kumar, who was a personal secretary to Bihar's former Deputy Chief Minister Tejashwi Yadav. The Economic Offences Unit has arrested Sintu Kumar, also linked to the case from Deoghar last night, after he confessed that he received the question paper and the answers from a paper leak gang, allegedly through WhatsApp. The Economic Offences Unit team will bring him to Patna today for further questioning.
ये जवाब क्यों नहीं दे पा रहे हैं? वर्गलाने का खेल क्यों खेलते हैं? अकूत संपत्ति का ये मालिक कैसे बना? ऐसे लोग कहीं न कहीं बिहार के बच्चों का, देश के बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने की मानसिकता से कब मुक्त होंगे? जनता को वर्गलाइए नहीं, सत्य को स्वीकारिए और जांच में सहयोग करिए।
दूसरी तरफ आप लोग भारत सरकार का पूछ रहे हैं कि फलना बिल ला रहे हैं पेपर लीक रोकने के लिए, है ना? हाँ, वो लीक ना हो उसके लिए लॉ ला रहे हैं। पहले तो मान ही नहीं रहे थे कि लीक हुआ, इनके लिए कौन सा लॉ लाया जाए, ये बताना पड़ेगा ना। आदरणीय धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, भाजपा के बड़े अनुभवी मंत्री हैं, वो तो मानते ही नहीं थे कि भाई पेपर लीक हुआ। जो नहीं मानने वाला उसके लिए भी लॉ ले आया जाए।
The RJD and Tejashwi Yadav, they are on defensive on this particular issue for a very simple reason that Pritam Kumar, who happened to be Tejashwi Yadav's personal assistant PA, his close relative who is involved into it, and his name actually figured in booking of a state guest house, of a government guest house for Yaduvendra, who has emerged as one of the main accused in this entire scam. Now, BJP is attacking Tejashwi Yadav and RJD over this issue, and Tejashwi Yadav PA has been served notice by Economic Offence Wing of Bihar Police, which is the main investigating agency in this particular case. And this entire involvement of Pritam Kumar and also of his relative has turned into a political controversy out here. BJP and RJD basically gunning for each other. As far as the investigation in this matter is concerned, few arrests have been made from Deoghar. There have been news from Hazaribagh as well, where few of the students were found to be stationed in one of the local hotels over there, and they were given answer sheets, question papers 2 days in advance, and they were asked to mug up the answer sheets. So these are the epicenters which have emerged. Deoghar to be one from Jharkhand, Hazaribagh the second, and Patna of course remains where the most of the action is happening, because the investigating agency which is investigating this entire case, they are based out of Patna. So it's a political brickbat battle is happening here. The legal status remains as of now is that he has been served. Pritam Kumar has been served a note by Economic Offence Wing. He has been summoned at the office for questioning, and whether he'll be arrested in this matter or he'll just be released after questioning would be decided by EOU after the questioning happens. But his involvement is clear that he has booked a state government guest house for Yaduvendra, who happens to be one of the main accused in this entire scam.